Hello my friends and welcome back to the channel for a new video. Today I want to start the work on this wonderful Unimog. You have seen the previous video, link down below. I want to do little upgrades, great upgrades. I just want to play with this. First of all, I have to undo something, and something are wheels. Without wheels, I can reach the screws to undo the body, and most part of the work will be on the body. So I start playing. Comment, like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Attention! Under this we have a pin and we don't want to lose it. So I put this tube, then the nut. I am a genius. And this is the first piece. I want to place LED here inside. Let's see this one. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, there's a hole. The work is not so difficult. Fantastic. And this rise up to here. Look at that. We can do it. Perfect. 3mm LED. Okay, here we have a spare plug. I don't know what is it for, perhaps lights. If they are rear lights, fantastic. Receiver, this is the servo for the gear, steering. This is the receiver with ESC, the bed. Done. Interiors, 1, 2, 3 and 4 screws. Okay. Perfect. We have a problem with the snorkel on the wrong side. Done. And now we have everything here at the light of the sun. The only work I have to do here is about lights. I have a source of power and just to finish the wiring. I think it's pretty nice. Yes. You see here we have the gearbox that is fantastic, and in the original Unimog we don't have this case but the spare wheel in this hole of the frame, but obviously here we can't put the spare wheel, so they managed with this. Okay, portal axles. Mechanically is fantastic. Oof, the frame is very... Yes, but the body makes a good work. I don't know if concentrate on lights or on the body. I have to make this chrome. This part has to be chrome, and I can take all the body of the lamp out. This is fantastic. I can do everything I want. I can finish this lamp. Unfortunately, I'm not able to put flashing lights inside. I can paint this perfectly. I can paint this. I can make the grill. Because all the chrome parts are here and not here. I can do the side lamps. It's fantastic. The rear one, look at here. And this, I don't think that I have to do nothing. This, unfortunately, I would like to have it this way, but here there's a hole, here there's another hole. Okay, this Unimog is quite different. The only thing are the door handles. It's difficult to... Interiors, the dashboard is quite nice, perhaps 2 or 3 gear shafts levers, just to add something. But it's okay. I'm tempted to paint the body. This makes easy to work. The work is going very well. These are all the chrome parts. I made these just to have something, not the glass inside the body. Then door handles inside of the lamps, wipe washers, this wonderful star in the middle of the steering wheel, some chrome on the dashboard. And now here I have the pieces I have to do in gloss black. This has to be painted in aluminum or aluminium. There's a little black part here. This model is fantastic because you have an assembled model and you can undo everything and have a lot of fun. And also gloss black is done. But there's a problem. I used brush and you can see it's not dry, but you can see that it's not a good finishing. Thanks to Brexit, here in Italy it's very difficult to have Umbral paint, and so I had to buy this one. It's terrible. I don't know. The shape of the can is the same. The number is a little bit different. I don't know. It's very hard to brush, to have a good layer. I hope in well. Okay, 12 hours here. I found this pilot from Tamiya, 1/14 scale truck driver, and as this is 1/17, more like 1/16 than 17, I thought that the little difference could be compensated by the fact that Japanese used to do humans a little bit little than Americans and or European or Africans. And so this is a man about 2 meters, and I have working the seat in order to put this here into a little bit lower. Now I have to do some room here, and the size is quite good. Yes, it has to go down up to here, but the size is quite good. So we have a driver. The work on the interior is going on. Pilot, I have to finish the eyes. I've made a Mercedes logo on the dress, and here I have added some gears, levers. Now I have to wait to glue the head on the pilot, to put the pilot in place. Then we can mount into the cabin. This is my driver. It's quite nice. And here we have a problem, because this seat is too high. This is okay, because the steering wheel is at the right place. This is too high. And so I have to do something to hide this mistake that is necessary, because here under you need a little bit of room for these parts of the car, electronics and so on. I have an idea for this. Interiors are made and I'm pretty satisfied. I like it. The body is almost made, quite nice. I made the holes for the wiring there. And now it's time for LED, for wiring. I measured this display and now we have to do a test. So switch on the radio, switch on the car. Pow! Everything works. Haha! Look. Puff! Everything. These LEDs I bought are a little bit better than the Chinese one. You can see the difference. I'm tempted to change this. See, these are very weak. This is very strong. Perhaps I will change this. Now we have to put LEDs inside lights, run the wiring around the car, close, mount, and then the work is finished. This is the situation. The two are connected. These are the back one. Now I have to imagine how to carry this wire around the chassis. And these, I have the registration plate. I made this hole in order to get light on the plate. Perhaps it works. Ta-da! We have front lights. What you say? What do you think? Here inside I have to finish, and I made a modification for the switch, better to have light, that I will put here behind this fender. Now we have here a socket, this one, that is for the rear line. I have this from the lamps, the rear red lamps. Two will be joined in one. Then I will put this to get into the socket there, quite long. Well, we are going to finish. Now I have to put a little black varnish there and there, because I don't like. Perhaps inside it's nice. No, perhaps I leave it. Yellow, who knows. But by now I am very satisfied. The thing is that we have a certain delay in the response of the switch from the radio. But it works. And also this is made. These are a little bit too white. Perhaps I will paint with this. Now I have to find a way to put the switch here, mount the bed, then two other little works here on the front. Perhaps paint the bolts of the wheels that are very plastic, and finish. And then I have a wonderful Unimog. And you have the tips if you want to do some works like this. Look at this. the light on the plate. The switch now is here and I can reach it very easily. And with this, for today, I think it's enough. I made a lot of things. The video is getting perhaps a little bit too long and maybe you are bored. It started like a light work, but working. The ideas came out one after the other, and so the work increased. I'm super satisfied of this. So I don't want to leave something that I don't like. And the inside of the rims I don't like. Then I have to finish some parts. Here it's empty. So in the next video I will show you something interesting perhaps. By now, thank you very much for watching. Comment, like and subscribe, and up to the next video. I promise you I will finish the work. Ciao! Ciao!